Alright, this bike is a 300 XCW. It's a TPI that my friend has set up for hard enduro. And so this bike gets used and abused. You can tell the pipe is pretty beat. Just putting air in it, you can see how the pipe already starts to move. And then as we apply heat to it, it starts moving. Later on, you'll see where I come over to the other side of the pipe, it has a couple little pinholes that I kind of point out, and I mark with a kind of a wax crayon so I can come back and weld them. So here's another little pinhole that pops out right here. You can kind of see where I'm pointing at it. And they're not so big that I lose all the pressure in the pipe, but they gotta be fixed. And that's kind of just what happens when stuff gets dropped. Usually they crack or split on the seam of the pipe. So I'll come back with the oxyacetylene and weld those up. I've been liking using the oxy to weld these because they're so dirty. Sometimes I'll MIG them. You can TIG them, but because the inside of the pipe is usually just absolutely full of oil, it doesn't work very good. And oxyacetylene kind of burns out a lot of the contaminants in the steel, so it works pretty great, and that's how they're put together from the beginning. This is an FMF gnarly pipe, and if you've ever watched how they build them, they weld them with an oxyacetylene torch. So anyways, go through and fix all these. This pipe took a substantial amount of polishing and bending and reworking so that it would clear the right side radiator and the frame rail and his skid plate, and then a bunch of bending on the exhaust hangers so that it would fit back on the bike. And anyway, I think it turned out pretty great for what it is. You can't get all of the wrinkles out of these, but after a quick polish it looks pretty darn good, and the fitment is much better. You should be able to slide this on and off until the next time he drops it. Thanks for watching.